and Uncle just moving mad. Uncle's taking us on a bike tour right about now, taking us on a wild little drive and that. We don't even know where we're going. Wish us luck. Jacuzzi and that, reception and that.
This is all tours, yeah?
No, listen.
Why?
So let's get a gear and go. Everyone jump in one room.
Hey, money exchange. And we're going to turn left here. Other press station, boss left, indicators left. Red light. Well, how come these are? Hey, wait. This is the correct way. Come. Fuck police. No problem, police. China Street. Here, yeah? I need to see the bike. Yeah, line up there, lads. Some of the lads take that spot there. Don't tell him.
The road.
You will crash.
Well,
that look dead. Is that the menu?
what's this place? What's this about, bro? You on the fucking wheelies, bro.
Detour back to what check out some routes.
On that side, no? This one. It's the biggest one. Yes. Yeah, green salads and whatnot. And you get mushroom sauce and da. If you want, just this bit here.
I told you. I made a mistake, bro. I made a mistake.